Hey everyone! If you're in your 20s and you want to take control of your money instead of your money controlling you, this video is for you. Whether you live in the US or UK, I'm going to walk you through how to budget your income step by step, even if you've never done it before. Let's start building smart money habits from today. Section 1. Why budgeting in your 20s matters. Your 20s are the most powerful years to build a financial foundation. Here's why. You may be earning for the first time. You can avoid debt early. Small savings now grow big over time thanks to compound interest. Most people don't budget, so you'll already be ahead. Section 2. Know your net income. The first step in budgeting is knowing how much money you actually bring home. In the US or UK, your gross income before tax isn't what you budget with. You need your net income after tax, insurance, etc. Example: if your monthly salary is $3,000 US or £2,500 UK, your take-home might be around $2,400 or £2,000 after deductions. Section 3. The 50-30-20 rule, a simple and powerful budgeting method for beginners. 50% needs rent, groceries, utilities, transport, insurance, minimum debt payments. 30% wants dining out, Netflix, shopping, entertainment, subscriptions. 20% savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, extra debt payments, retirement savings. Tip: you can adjust the percentages based on your income or living costs, especially in cities like London or New York. Section 4. Track your spending. Before you can control your spending, you need to see where your money is going. Tools to use: US UK apps, Mint, YNAB. You need a budget: Emma UK, Plum UK, Clear. Just Google Sheets or Excel. Track for at least 1 month, then categorize your expenses. Section 5. Cut unnecessary expenses. Once you track your expenses, you'll spot leaks. Maybe you're spending $80 a month on subscriptions, $200 a month on tacos, too much on coffee, clothes, or Uber. Set limits. Cancel unused subscriptions. See it out less often. Walk or bike when possible. This helps you free up money to save or invest. Section 6. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund equals your financial safety net. Start by saving $500,1000 or $500,1000, then aim for 3-6 months of expenses over time. Use it only for true emergencies: job loss, medical expense, urgent travel. Section 7. Start saving and investing early in your 20s. Time is your greatest financial weapon. Save for short-term goals: vacation, car, moving out. Start investing for long-term goals: retirement, home, freedom, use. US Roth IRA, 401k, index funds via apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood UK, stocks and shares. ISA pension schemes via apps like Moneybox, Nutmeg.
Section 8. Budgeting tips for US, UK living. US tips: check state taxes, varies by state. Use cashback apps Rakuten, Abota, student loan planning. Look into forgiveness. UK tips: use rare cards to save on transport. Take advantage of lifetime ISA for home buying. Use free budgeting tools like Money Helper. Section 9. Bonus tips: set money goals, short and long term. Review your budget every month. Avoid lifestyle inflation as income grows. Use cash envelopes if you overspend with cards. Finally, budgeting in your 20s isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom to travel, save, invest, or leave a toxic job someday. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Comment below: what's your biggest money challenge right now? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more personal finance tips.